Good morning to all. I am Professor Vindya Gupta from SGI Sage University. Today I am here to teach you or to explain you about the Development Bank of India. So first of all, we see what topics will be covered in this video. What is the Development Bank? Objective, characteristics of Development Bank, types of loan, types of development banks. Now we will see what is a development bank. Development banks are those which have been set up mainly to provide infrastructure facilities or for the industrial growth of the country. They provide financial help or support for both public and private sector companies. Next, objectives of a development bank. There are main objectives of development bank. First one is promote industrial growth. Second is develop backward areas. Third one is create more employment opportunities to our persons of our nation. Fourth, improve the management of a large industries by providing training. And last but not least, encourage modernization and improvement in technology. Next is characteristics of a development banks. First one is development banks are a multi-purpose institutions. Second is banks do not accept deposit from the public. Third one is banks charge low rate of interest on loan because it's called a development bank who are mainly set up for the infrastructure. So it gives loan on a low rate basis. And fourth one is main objective of this bank is to serve the public interest rather than earning profit. Its main purpose to develop our country, not to earn profit. Next, types of loans are given by the development banks. First one is short-term loan, second one is medium-term loan, third one is long-term loan. So for short-term loan, it's about from 1 week or 1 month to 15 months. And for medium-term loans, it's from 15 months to 5 years. And for long-term loan, its tenure is 5 years above. Types of development banks. There are different types of development banks which are run in our country. First is IDBI, second is NABARD, third IRBI, fourth is SIDBI, fifth NHB, EXIM, IFCI, ICICI. IDBI, its full form is Industrial Development Bank of India. It is an Indian government owned financial service company headquartered in Mumbai. It's formerly known as the Industrial Development Bank of India. It is established in 1964 and it provides credit and other financial facilities to development of our Indian industries. Second is NABARD. NABARD established in 1981 on 12 July. It's implement the National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development Act 1981. It's replaced by the Agriculture Credit Development and Rural Planning and Credit Cell of Reserve Bank of India and Agriculture Refinance and Development Corporation. Third one is IRBI. It's established in 1971 by the resolution of a Parliament of India under section 617 of the Companies Act. It's headquartered in Kolkata. Now it's present in New Delhi and Mumbai. Its full form is Industrial Reconstruction Corporation of India Limited, set up in 1971. It's used for a rehabilitation of Sikh industrial companies. Now next one is SIDBI. SIDBI, its full form is Small Industrial Development Bank of India. It's a development financial institution in India. It's headquartered in Lucknow and having its all offices now all over the country. SIDBI also coordinate the functions of institution engaged in similar activities. It is established in 1990 by the Act of Parliament. NHB, its full form is National Housing Bank. So it's an apex level financial institution, housing sector in the country. It's established in 9th July 1988 and it's a wholly subsidiary of RBI Act of Parliament in 1987. Its main objective to operate a principal agency to promote housing finance institution both at local and regional level. It's headquartered in New Delhi and had offices in all major cities. Next one is EXIM, Export Import Bank of India. is a specialized financial institution which is owned by the government of India. It's set up in a 1982 for financing, facilitating, promoting foreign trade of India, including the share capital 1300 crore received during the year from the government of India. It is a paid up capital 31st March 2015. It's a more than 5,000 crore. Now, next one is IFCI. IFCI, it's the Industrial Finance Corporation of India, Indian government owned development bank to cater a long-term finance needs to the industrial sector. It is the first development finance institution established by the Indian government after independence and until the establishment of ICICI in 1991. And last but not least, ICICI, its name is ICICI Bank Limited is an Indian multinational banking financial services company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, with its registered offices of Gujarat. Gujarat, ICICI Bank is the second largest bank in India in terms of assets and market capitalization. And right now, it's overall more than 5,000 branches all over the country and more than 14,000 ATMs across the India, and has a presence in 17 countries including India. So for today we see all the important development banks which are run in our country. So thank you so much for seeing this video. I hope you got some new information from this video. So thank you to all. Thank you so much.